We're blending A. So, hello kids. My name is Teacher Anne, or this is Teacher Anne. So, today we're going to learn the letter blending or reading a two-letter blending or combination. So, now let's start. Okay, so letter A here sounds ah, ah, ah. Okay, let's start. A says ah, b, ah, b, ab, b, ab. A says and C says k, 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 ak, ak. A says and D says d, 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 ad, ad, ad. A says E says ah, eh, ah, eh, ah, eh, eh. A says and F says f, ah, f, ah, f, af, af. A says and G says g, 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 ag, ag. A says and H says h, 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 h. A says and I says e, 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 e. Okay, next. A says and J says j, 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 aj, aj. A says and K says k, 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 ak, ak. A says and L says oh, 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 ow, ow. A says and M says ah, ah, um, um. A says and N says mm, mm, an, an. A says and O says o, 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 o. A says and P says p, 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 up, up, up. A says and Q says k, 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 ak, ak, ak. Okay, next page. A says and R says er, er, er. R. R. A says and S says S. Ah, S. Ah, S. As. As. A says and T says T. Ah, T. Ah, T. At. 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 A says and V says V. Ah, V. Ah, V. Av. Av. A says and W says W says W. Ah, W. Ah, W. Ow. Ow. A says and X says X. Ah, X. Ah, X. Axe. 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 A says and Y says you. Ah, you. Ah, you. I. I. A says and Z says Z. Ah, Z. Ah, Z. Az. Az. All right. So thank you so much for learning with me tonight. So thank you. Bye bye. And I hope to see you on our next lesson. Bye.